Hello and welcome to this video on keeping yourself organized using an online calendar. In this example, I'll be using Google Calendar, which is accessed through calendar.google.com. And if you have a Gmail account, you can sign in and you should see this screen here. So this is the main screen that you'll notice with your month view on the left, your week view in the main window here, and all the list of your calendars and custom calendars on the bottom left. So it'll default subscribe you to Holidays in Ireland calendar, which will show up as green here, and that will just show up any public holidays that are coming up. So to add an event, just click on any block of time that you want the event added, and you should get a pop-up. So here, this is going to be a test event, and you can actually scroll through and just select as much information here as possible. So maybe this event repeats, so I'm just going to click in here, and if it's an all-day event, I can check this, uncheck it if it's not. And here where it says doesn't repeat, I can select it's going to repeat daily. So I'll scroll down a bit more. I can add a description or attachments. So description, I'll just put this is a test event and scroll down a bit more. Now I can set the color or custom color of this event. So I can set it to green and select a reminder. So a default reminder is set up here. I can see 30 minutes before the event. If I have my Google Calendar added to my mobile, I will get a pop-up or a push notification on my mobile for a reminder for this event. So I can turn that off and then add maybe some custom notifications. So here's the default one added to 10 minutes before. I can add another, select the drop down and say 1 day before. So at the moment I'm going to get a pop-up 1 day and 10 minutes before this event. So two separate notifications on this. Click on more options. It will give me more options of this event. So I'll just scroll down a bit more here and show you that you can add a lot more text in here and customize a lot more information here too. You can also add types of notifications. So you can change this. Instead of a notification, I can drop this down and say I want an email a day before instead of a pop-up notification. So I can click on save. There's my repeating event. So I'll just check in next week and the week after. So there's the event repeating. To remove, change, or delete this event, just click on the event that you've just set up. Click on the bin to delete it. You should be prompted to delete just this event, this and following events if you want to keep past events, or every single event that you've set up. So in this, I'm going to choose all events and click OK. So that's deleted those events. You can actually share your calendar with another Gmail users if you want to get them to add or remove or edit events and vice versa. So on the bottom left, you'll have a list of your default calendars here. If you click on the three dots and choose Settings and Sharing. So here you'll see all your calendar settings where you can set your time zone. And if you scroll down, share with specific people, click on Add People here. So you can add their email or their name and the permission. So there's different levels of permission. So the default one is see only free or busy, so hide the event details. See all event details. The other person could make changes to events or even make changes and manage sharing. So usually the default one, if you trust the person, you can say make changes to events, and that will give them read-write access to your calendar to change and add events in there. So when you fill this in, click on send, and that person will receive an invitation to edit your calendar. So back in the main calendar view, there are actually some useful keyboard shortcuts that you can use. You can press M to view your month view, W to go back to week view, or A for your agenda, and this will show you everything that's coming up. Your agenda will also be on the home screen when you add it to your mobile. So this is a useful way of seeing everything that's coming up. So that's a quick run through of Google Calendar to stay organized. Thank you.